bought multiple items from the same eBay seller, here's how you can request combined shipping and save money on postage. Let's dive right into the video. Go to ebay.com and log into your account where you've made your purchases. Now hover over My eBay at the top right and click on Purchase History to view your recent orders. Scroll through a list and look for items bought from the same seller. These are the ones eligible for combined postage. Since I don't have any orders, you just have to follow the remaining steps by yourself. Click Contact Seller next to any of the items. Politely request combined shipping and ask for revised invoice. The seller will send you a new invoice with adjusted shipping costs. Once you receive it, you can pay for everything in one go. And that's how you combine postage on eBay in 2025. Hit the like button, drop a comment if you have got questions, and subscribe for more eBay hacks. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.